stock air filter cover, and we are going to replace it with the DNS now.
We make the streams louder.
So hello YouTube, I'm back with another video. My first performance mod for the bike is done, guys. Yes, that is the reason why I didn't vlog for 10 days. I didn't want to take out the other bike. So that is the reason why I didn't vlog for 10 or 11 days or so. I'm not sure of the count. Because the bike was going for a performance mod and it's finally done. So, and maybe it is the first Interceptor which has got a ECU stage 2 remap with the pops and bangs. Yes guys, you heard me right, it's the pops and bangs. So I'll show you how is it on the highway, क्योंकि यहाँ भी बहुत कुत्ते हैं और मुझे कुत्तों से भागना नहीं है. So I'll just show you on the highway the pops and bangs. So now I'm headed to Bikers Hub. I placed an order for the air filter with the snorkel, so it's here. तो उसका फिटिंग करवाने जा रहे हैं बाइकर्स हब में. I took a DNA, not BMC. I took a DNA air filter with the snorkel. तो अभी उसका फिटिंग करवा के now let's see, फिर उसमें पता चलेगा प्रॉपर कि कितना बड़ा है, BHP क्या है. I'll tell you the proper figures and the torque when after few days, after a few logs. But the bike has gone loud. If you could notice the sound, like the bike has gone free, there are less vibrations. But due to the filter wasn't there, the bike was getting heated up. मगर आज के बाद वो भी problem solve हो जाएगी. But it's popping like hell, guys. Let me get on the highway. Backfires बहुत आ रहे हैं. It's like continuous, guys. Bike भी बहुत गंदी है. I didn't give it for wash. Also, I didn't wash the bike also. The clutch has gone smoother, I don't know how. It's just an ECU remap. I sent the ECU all the way to Bangalore. So thanks to Code 6 guys for doing it just by sending the ECU all the way to Bangalore. I got it done at a special price. Accelerate again, the pops don't stop. Actually, it's fucking loud. It's like a AK-47. So all thanks to Coach 6 guys, you have done an amazing work. I didn't expect this much of difference. I'm not going above 80. I'm not revving it hard. After the filter comes, I'm gonna do it on the way back home. So let's see any differences are seen or not. that shit! Loud! But now the thing is, guys, बंद करके बात करना पड़ेगा, क्लच पकड़ के बात करना पड़ेगा अब से मुझे. Now the problem is cops, guys. I have to go slow. I shouldn't decelerate in front of them. I shouldn't rev in front of them. मगर जो पब्लिक रिएक्शन आ रहे हैं गाइस, वर्थ है जो जितना मैं डाला है. How much I have invested? It's not a purchase, it's an investment, guys. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like the video. Let me know how are the pops coming. Can you hear it? I don't think so कि कैमरा जस्टिस कर पा रहा होगा पॉप्स एंड बैंग्स का. I'm not sure. Pops and bangs, don't forget to hit on the like button. Kill the like button, guys. Turning. Now I don't need a horn anymore, guys. That is true. I don't need a horn anymore. पहले भी ज़रूरत नहीं था. Now तो अब लग रहा है I should take off the horn. So guys, I'm almost near Bikers Hub. So I'm gonna get my second performance update. So many performance updates are gonna come soon. So guys, stay tuned, do watch my videos. I'll try to be regular, but it's gonna be a problem for me, but still I'll try to vlog. The cops are gonna be a problem, but still I'll vlog. I won't leave the accelerator, बहुत धीरे जाऊँगा. I'll do something, guys, but I just need your support and thank you, guys. Finally our team is 500 strong. Our Fasto family is 500 strong. So please do keep be supporting like that. I'll be getting too much content very soon. I'll be going on rides. I'll do a separate video on the exhaust note with the pops and bangs. So अब चलते हैं directly Bikers Hub, then I'll show you.
Yeah, so guys, we are at Bikers Hub, and these are the DNA filter and snorkel kit. We're gonna swap it. This is the stock setup. This is how the air filter is covered with a plastic cap, and this thing is gonna go. See you in a bit.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
So guys, I'm almost in my area. So that's it for today's vlog. If you have liked and if you have any questions related to the remap and all, you can text me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is there down below. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. This is Fasto signing off. We'll be back with another video. Don't forget to like the video, guys.